Mm.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on your notification button. Yo, me a go right in this. Them police them stop the youth, and the man say, he might bring him daughter, go to school, and pretty much them stop him, and I did a video today with 1,400 people killed at Jamaica. 1,400 and nearly 1,500, and I spoke on constitutional rights. Now, I'm gonna play the rest of the video so you can see what the police them do. And I'm also gonna play the response of the, I guess she had the superintendent, the big girl, and what she's saying. And I have a problem with it. But watch this video. I'm gonna jump back in and then talk some more and play the response of the police. Yo, stuff like this is totally unacceptable. And this is the problem. This is a big part of the problem in Trinidad, Jamaica, the Caribbean, and other places where the police can just stop you for no reason. And I don't know how these police are still working and still have a job. Let's go.
Mm.
Now, look at that video and look how them treat the young man. The man say, wanna stop me for? Me I bring me youth them go to school. Pretty much might explain himself, and then you have a police run come down, grab the youth, lick him in his head. It look like them punch him and kick him. And then him have the baby in him hand when them do that, you know. Him have the baby in him hand when them do that. And then the female police take the baby. And then them bring him going out the car and arrest him. Yo, I don't know what kind of laws is in Trinidad. If that was America, Canada, England, Japan, certain place, Finland, Switzerland, Sweden, wherever, that would definitely be a problem. And all of them policemen there would have to come off the force. But the thing is, it's the same thing in Jamaica, the same thing everywhere, Belize, everywhere, Trinidad. The police them have big time authority, and when them do things like that, nothing is being addressed and there is no recompense. Now, I want you to say, in Jamaica last year, the man win a lawsuit, got the police them detain him wrongfully, and him file a lawsuit, and I think the youth must get $5 or $10 million Jamaican from the system. And that was a good thing. Now, With that said, out of all of them countries, it seems like Jamaica is more forward and more up on constitutional issues and stuff like that. But it is still way, way behind. Now, when I see what happening in Trinidad, it only proves to me that Trinidad is even more corrupt than Jamaica. You see what I'm saying? Now, I watch a video with Andrew Holiness in Trinidad in August, the end of August, early September, and people, the Jamaicans them there was talking. I'm gonna do a video on that and show you how them treat Jamaicans in Trinidad. Them treat it real bad. But it makes sense because if them can't treat for them people like that, and I am a Jamaican, them gonna treat me worse. With that said, me I go play with the police officer say. I guess she had a big girl in the police force and thing. But listen to this.
Have any of those officers been placed on leave during this time?
The investigation that investigation started today, and I cannot say what will be the outcome, but we are reviewing the whole circumstances surrounding the arrest and what we have seen on the video thus far.
If you notice, she didn't even answer the question. This damn police girl with her 4 eye. She not answer the bumbuckler question, you know. Now, listen to this, and that's why I get pissed off. Yo, pardon my language. A little bit of viewer's discretion is advised. But listen to the idiot police blood clot girl, yo.
The TTPS confirms that charges have been laid. What was the reason for pulling them over?
Well, I as I said, I wouldn't want to go into the details of the arrest, but to say that charges ranging from disorderly behavior, resisting arrest, assaulting a police officer, possession of camouflage, and also obstruction. So
this lady attack a bag of trash because this guy didn't assault a police. He didn't obstruct the police. Now, in terms of camouflage, me don't know about that. The police didn't say why they stopped him. The police say him have a baby in him hand and them assault him first and him still never lick them and them use him head and flee it in the jeep, and this lady, this police girl is gonna come and make a statement like that. Now this is where I always talk about constitutional rights. And you know, people say, yo, countryman, you support criminals. Me not support criminals. But what I do support is constitution. I am a Jamaican nationalist, not an ultra-nationalist. That means I can work with other people. But me, country first. So, Jamaica, Trinidad, country first. No police not supposed to step on our rights like that. And then you end up get charged and the video show clearly what's going on. Yo, corruption. Listen, I am pissed off about this video. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And turn on the notification button. But I honestly want to know what y'all think about this. A blatant disregard for people's constitutional rights. That's why you have so much violence in them damn country there. Because listen, police do you something like that, you want to kill a blood clot police. Straight up. Bomber clot. But, like me say, it is what it is. My name is Countryman. I'm out.